Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we are going to discuss a lesson of class 8 subject English. The name of the topic is The Unthankful Man. Unthankful Man. It is basically a story having animal characters. So, my dear students, a story with animal characters that teaches us a moral, that teaches us a lesson. It is called, in English, it is called a fable. F-A-B-L-E, fable. So, today, you open your, dear students, you open your book, page number 78. Look at the table which is given on your book. This is a story about thanklessness. Basically, it is a story which is based on thanklessness, unthankful, ungrateful. Raman, a poor man in the story, is a helpful person. In the story, there is one character. His name is, he's a man. His name is Raman. He's a very honest and helpful person. He helps the tiger, the monkey, and the goldsmith. The tiger and the monkey proves to be thankful creatures, while as the goldsmith makes a brazen show of his thanklessness and deceit. So, this Raman, a poor man, he helped these animals. They are lying inside the this well, and he helped them and take them out of the well. So after reading the story, we will come to know what actually the story is about. So first of all, I would make a moral reading. You open your page number 78. Raman was a poor Brahmin who lived with his wife on the outskirts of a small town. He was so poor that he and his wife had to remain hungry for days together. His wife was fed up with their poverty. One day she said to her husband, "Why don't you go to the nearby town and seek some job?" Raman liked the idea and decided to go to a nearby town to look for a job. So, I have already told you, dear students, Raman was a poor Brahmin who lived with his wife. Raman was living with his wife in his home on the outskirts of a small village. On the outskirts means outer area of the village. So he was living at the corner of the village, at the outer area of the village with his wife, but he was a very poor man. He was so poor that he and his wife had to remain hungry for days together. He was so poor, he was just earning from hand to mouth, so they remained hungry for days together. His wife was fed up with the poverty. His wife was fed up. She was very much tired with the poverty. They were facing hardships. One day she said to her husband, "Why don't you go to the nearby town and seek some job?" One day she told her husband, "Raman, go. Why are you remaining idle? You go to the nearby town and get some job there so that we will get the food and we will eat." Raman liked the idea and decided to go to the nearby town to look for a job. So this the idea given by his wife. Rama liked that idea and he went to the nearby town in search of a job. On his way, he had to pass through a forest. So when he was going to the town, on his way, he go through a forest. वो जंगल के रास्ते से जा रहा था. He was tired and hungry. He felt hungry and tired. He was very much tired and he was hungry. he gathered some wild fruits and sat down by a well to eat it. So he accumulated some wild fruits from the jungle and sat down uh, on the corner of a well. एक कुएं के नज़दीक वो बैठ गया, उसने कुछ फ्रूट्स वहाँ पर जमा किए, वाइल्ड फ्रूट्स, और वहाँ नीचे बैठ गया और वो खाने लगा. Just then he heard some voices. So he heard some voices were coming out from the well. कुएं से कुछ आवाज़ें आने लगी. The voices were coming from the well. He was surprised to hear the voices coming from the well. Dear students, he was very much surprised. He was astonished. He was amazed to heard the sounds from the well. So surprised means amazed. He peeped into the well. So he peeped. Peep means to secretly look at, to look something secretly. He peeped into the well to see where from the voices are coming out. To his surprise, he saw a tiger, a monkey, a snake, and a man in the well. He was surprised when he saw some creatures like a tiger, a monkey, a snake, and a man in the well. तो वहाँ पर वो कुएं के अंदर क्या देखता है? एक टाइगर को देखता है, मोंकी को देखता है, और एक स्नेक को देखता है, और एक आदमी को वहाँ पर देखता है. The tiger saw him and said, when the tiger who was inside the well, when he saw the man, he requested him, sir, kindly help me out of the well. He told him, oh man, please help me out. Take me out of this well. I will be ever grateful to you. I will be very much thankful to you. Grateful means thankful. I would be very much thankful to you if you help me out of this well, if you take me out of this well. Raman was frightened. So when Raman saw a beast, a wild animal inside the well, he thought that if he will help this animal and he will take this animal out of the well, he will eat him, he will harm him. So he was frightened. Frightened means I have written it, frightened, terrified. He was horrified. वो डर गया. He said, if I take you out, you will eat me up. Oh, tiger, if means Raman, if he will take him out, he will eat him up. Therefore, I cannot help you out of the well. So he told him, I cannot help you out and take you out of the well. You remain where you are. So you must remain there where you are. The tiger said, have faith in me. The tiger requested, he told, he begged this Raman, this man, this kind man, that have faith on him. So have trust on him. Faith means trust. Have trust on him, and I promise that I will do no harm to you. The tiger told Raman that he's promising him that he will not make any injury, any hurt to him. On the other hand, I will try to help you. The tiger told him, besides, I will help you. Whenever you need my help, I will help you. Please help me out. He begged him, please help me out of this well. Raman was a kind man. So as far as Raman is concerned, he was a very kind man. He was very much attentive. He was thoughtful person. He was helpful person. He took pity on the tiger and pulled him out of the well. He was sympathetic. उसको उस पर रहम आ गया. He was very much sympathetic, and he helped this hand. He pulled him out of the well. उसने उसको वहाँ से खींच कर बाहर लाया, कुएं से बाहर निकाला. Thank you, kind man. And this tiger, he thanked him for helping him. The tiger said to him, if you ever need my help, please come to my cave. And he told him, if you ever need my help, whenever you need my help, come to my cave. Tiger told him, come to his cave, but you have to mind something. Do not take that man out of the well. There is a man inside the well. You must not help him. You should not help him. He must remain there. He is the most ungrateful creature on this earth, because he is the man who is ungrateful, who is unthankful. वो नाशुक्र है। ये जो आदमी है, इसको आप कुएं से बाहर मत निकालो, बिकॉज ही इज द वेरी अनग्रेटफुल, मीन्स वो नाशुक्र इंसान है जमीन के ऊपर। सो हियर आर सम वर्ड्स। थैंकफुलनेस मीन्स unthankful, ungrateful. Brazen means bold, bahadur. Deceit, act of deceiving. Peep, to keep secretly look at. Outskirts means outer area of the village. Frightened means horrified. Faith, trust, harm, injury, hurt. Ungrateful, thankless. Steep, having sharp slope. Pity, sympathy, kind. So there are some antonyms also. Thankfulness, antonym of thankfulness is thanklessness. Deceit, sincerity. Opposite of faith is faithless. Frightened, reassure. Ungrateful, grateful. Kind, unkind. Hungry, sated. Gathered, scatter. Scatter means phailana. So this was all about today. Thank you. Have a nice day.